Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and then scroll down and tap on password and security. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and app encryption. Now just enter your privacy password. And if you tap on other password types, you can choose between other password types. You can choose between a 6-digit PIN, a 4-digit PIN, or a pattern. I will choose the 4-digit PIN. Now just enter your PIN. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just answer these security questions. If you tap on this blue arrow icon, you can change between the security questions. Like if I select what was the name of your favorite book when you were a child. Now just answer the second question. And once you answer these questions, just tap on next. Now just choose your Gmail. And once you choose your Gmail, just tap on OK. And from here, just tap on app hiding. Now just enable view hidden apps and scroll down and enable the toggle for the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now, if you open the app door and if you search for the apps which you have hidden, you will not find the apps in your app door or on the home screen. Now to view the apps which you have hidden, just swipe up with 2 fingers on the home screen. Now just enter your privacy password. Now as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. Just like that. And this is how you can hide apps on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.